Okay, here is a Trane XR central air conditioning unit running. Just got this unit starting up. And this is located at the hotel that we're still staying at here in Northfield, Minnesota. But yeah, just got this unit starting up. And I can't really reach the data on it because this thing is in the way, but I can get the data off this XR. It's a 2017 1.5 ton unit. So I'm just gonna guess that these are all probably the same thing. But yeah. And it is about, I think, like almost 11 p.m. at night right now. But I decided I would come down to the parking garage to check these units out again. And this unit was not running, so I decided I would try for a startup from it. And yeah, I got my wish. And I would probably guess it has an Alliance roll compressor. And this mini split's also running. But yeah, just thought I'd get a quick video of this unit starting up and running. Anyways, thanks for watching.